This is cupping. This is a cupping mask, and basically what it is, or treatment, and basically what it is, Rach, is this little box comes with these 4 little cups. 2 for facial, 2 for under eye or lip, and this little exfoliant, you just basically do a little exfoliant cleanse before you do this.
Scrub off the
all
old
over the
skin,
face, get rid of the old skin, and also this little serum. Now, truthfully, this is just safflower oil. You could use olive oil. You could use whatever oil you want to use. And all you're going to do is we are going to add just a few drops.
This one I don't understand. How does this work?
So basically, cupping is an ancient technique also. It's really one of those things that's been used in sports therapy, massage, because you actually are affecting the lymph system for wellness. So it's creating a better blood circulation, bringing all the blood up to the skin.
So this is about improving your circulation.
The skin. Exactly. It is about that. It drains fluid like crazy. So for anyone out there who gets puffy, and that was what we discussed, she feels really puffy in the face, you give it a pinch, just give it a little exercise, get it softened up. All you do is go like this, Rach. You can even do it with me, Rach. Put it on the skin, create a vacuum effect. Okay, and all I do is
don't get
gently,
how that's gonna help.
Well, take a look. You're gonna see it.
Right.
I can glide it over the skin, and
does this feel as silly as it looks?
So basically, all you do is you cup these on, the
that
larger
is so
ones.
weird.
But now take it off and check it out. Look. See how the blood comes in? You get this amazing rosy glow. You can see it immediately. You want to keep it moving. You can, again, glide like I'm doing.
I'm violating her. I can't. Here, you cup yourself, Laura Jo.
And then, she's going to do it. She's been dying to do it.
Have you ever tried this
See,
before?
under the eye.
Never tried it before.
And you just move it gently. And so literally.
Oh, you're supposed to move it around.
Yes, darling.
Just leave it there.
No, but you were doing it. You were doing well. You don't just leave it there. No, you actually move it around. So I like this because this can be a really quickie treatment. You can do it everywhere. You don't need to buy any special lotions or potions. You just have these.
So basically, you're just using the suction of the apparatus to improve your circulation.
It's the cornerstone of facials because a really great massage has always in a classic facial given you a beautiful glow when you leave, but this gives you a little more pinpoint control at home and a lot more intensity because of that vacuum effect. So you get the whole kit.